Hey there, fellow writers. Are you ready to revolutionize your writing? Imagine having a suite of tools to transform your writing process, making it faster, smoother, and more enjoyable. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because today we're diving into the top AI tools that will change how you write forever. As writers, we all know how time-consuming editing, proofreading, and optimizing content can be. But what if I told you there are AI tools designed specifically to handle these tedious tasks? Yes, you heard me right. These tools allow you to focus on what truly matters, your creativity. Think about it, staying ahead of the curve with cutting-edge technology designed just for writers. Whether you're a blog writer, short story author, or even an aspiring novelist, these AI tools can make your life much easier. So let's dive in and explore how these 5 AI tools can make writing easier and faster. Tool 1. Grammarly. First up is Grammarly. If you haven't heard of it yet, you're in for a treat. Grammarly is like having a personal proofreader at your fingertips. It checks for grammar mistakes, punctuation errors, and even stylistic issues. Plus, it's super easy to use. Just install the browser extension or use the web app. Imagine never having to worry about embarrassing typos again. 2. Jasper. Next on the list is Jasper. This tool is an absolute game changer when it comes to content creation. Jasper uses advanced AI algorithms to generate high-quality content based on your input. Whether you need blog posts, social media updates, or even creative stories, Jasper has got you covered. It's like having a co-writer who never runs out of ideas. Surfer SEO. If you're looking to boost your content's visibility on search engines, then Surfer SEO is the tool for you. This AI-powered tool helps you optimize your content by analyzing what's already ranking on Google. It provides you with guidelines on keyword usage, content structure, and even word count. With Surfer SEO, you'll have all the insights you need to create SEO-friendly content that ranks higher. Copy.ai. Ever find yourself stuck staring at a blank screen? Copy.ai can help with that. This AI tool generates high-quality copy in just seconds. Whether you need catchy headlines, engaging social media posts, or compelling product descriptions, Copy.ai can do it all. It's like having an endless source of inspiration right at your fingertips. Hemingway Editor. Last but not least is the Hemingway Editor. Named after the legendary writer Ernest Hemingway, this tool focuses on making your writing clear and concise. It highlights complex sentences, passive voice usage, and other readability issues. With Hemingway Editor, you'll learn to write in a way that's easy to understand and engaging for your readers. Have it. 5 incredible AI tools that can transform your writing experience. Don't just take my word for it. Try them out for yourself. Trust me, once you start using these tools, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them.